Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use GPT-4 with images. So the first step you simply need to do is to open ChatGPT, and let's suppose here I'm going to write tell me about this picture. So let's suppose I'm going to take picture from Unsplash, and here I'm going to open any car image. Okay, so this is the image that I'm going to use. Okay, so let's see what response you will get. Here you can see that. So for this, you need to upgrade to ChatGPT 4, where you can get fastest response, and you also have an option to search the detail of any image. But in ChatGPT 3, it is not possible. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.